Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel, Mom Life with KK Smith. And today I'm going to show you how I do my traditional beef stew. My family and friends absolutely loves this dish, and so let's get into it. First, I start with chopping my vegetables. I start with my potatoes first because obviously they are the most work, and I'm starting with russet potatoes. And you could go ahead and you can also use red potatoes. I like the color of red potatoes in beef stew, but the thing about red potatoes, you are not going to be able to cook them as long as you will cook russet potatoes. And if you overcook them, they will be way too soft. So next I'm going to start with my baby petite carrots. I'm just going to pop open that container, the package, and I'm gonna rinse those, and voila, the carrots are basically easy, no fuss. Just go ahead and rinse your vegetables. Next, I'm gonna start with my favorite seasoning for my beef stew: garlic, salt, seasoning salt, and pepper. I'm going to go a little easy on the seasoning salt because I'm also going to put salt, but I absolutely love garlic to wake up any flavor in any dish. I'm using a fine garlic and then my pepper. Next, I'm going to use my secret ingredient that I love to use, and that's my beefy onion. I love to put my beefy onion to wake up the flavor, and onion soup is good for everything. Also, I'm going to go ahead in with my bell pepper. That bell pepper just wakes up the flavor and gives it an old-fashioned, down-home grandma taste to your dish. It wakes up that beef, it wakes up the vegetables, and so I love to cut up a chunky bell pepper to fit right in with all those chunky vegetables. Next, you cannot make beef stew, people, without celery. Celery does two things. It wakes up the flavor and also gives it more of a water content because celery has a lot of water and a lot of crunch, and that's why I like to add my vegetables in halfway through. I love to cook my meat first a while before adding vegetables because your vegetables don't get too soggy, and some people like their vegetables soggy. So now everybody's in. I'm going to give everybody a quick rinse, and I'm going to make sure, even though I've already rinsed everything individually, I'm going to just make sure I don't have anything on these vegetables, and they are ready to go in. Next, I'm going to check on my meat. My meat has condensed down. So first I added some water to the beef. I covered it. You can go ahead and do whatever amount of water you like, but I just like to cover all the meat once it's brown. And as you can see, it will cook down substantially. So I'll go back in with probably 4 cups of water. I love this pot because it's so big. You could also put it in the oven. This is an iron skillet pot. And again, I'm going to go in with my beefy onion, my first round of beefy onion, and then I'm going to put those vegetables in. And I like to put the vegetables in between the beefy onions so everything has a chance to incorporate together. I just absolutely love beefy onion. It just wakes up the flavor. I'm going to go in and I'm going to sprinkle that on top of the vegetables as well, and I'm going to stir everything together. I promise you all, you're going to love this dish. It is absolutely delicious. Next, I would love to tell you about my trial and error. It's a good time to tell you about this. I used to use starch a long time ago to produce my gravy, starch and water, but my pots used to be so hard to clean. So what I started to do, a tip from my husband, he cooks at work, and he said that they started using heavy cream. So in the heavy cream goes, and it's to your liking, however you want it, light or dark, however you want your meal to look. And I'm going to simmer this for about 35 minutes, and this will be a meal that your family will enjoy. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more advice about life, about living, about everything. Until next time, friends, this is KK Smith.